Hey YouTube, Sea-Dog here. Welcome to the channel. Hit the like, the subscribe, the bell notification. First time here, please subscribe. Comments, I try to respond to everything, so thank you for coming. This one's just a quick one, update on the ABS sensors, the issue I had last Friday. Basically, I borrowed a buddy's tool, one of those $3,000 Snap-on scanning tools, and basically loaded up all four sensors, and then I drove the car, and three of them had numbers and one had 3 zeros. So it is this passenger side rear wheel sensor. So it's the opposite side of the one that I swapped out about a month ago. So they go bad. It happens. So this video is just going to be a quick swapping that, and then we'll be ready for Friday the 9th, which is the next test and tune, and we'll really be able to see what's going on with no ABS issues. I am ready. So the bonus is the part was only like $15.99, so tax, it was like 16 and some change, I don't know, or 17 bucks, 16 and some change, I think. But I had a $20 a free $20 whatever at AutoZone, because I spend way too much money there, let's be honest. So basically the part was free. At the end of the day, $15-16 fix, and we're back in business. So stay tuned, more to come for the channel. Appreciate everybody, and time lapse now. Duralast. Not much to it. That's it. Not a whole lot to it. So this is the guy we're pulling out. Clips, and I don't know if you can see in there, but it is basically connected right here. Well, I don't think you can get any further out than that. Okay. That looks like a 10 millimeter going into the back of the rotor. Okay. Lefty-loosey. That's always smart. Start it the right way. Plenty of room. Line back up. Get it started. I don't think this has to be torqued to a certain spec. Gotta get it tight so there's no movement there. But we're done. Tire back on.